How to file and documents transfer mobile to USB drive. Now we take one USB drive and we need also this C type connector. This is C type connector will join is here, this drive, and other side, this side will be joined with mobile. Now let's see how do they, how do we connect. We connect like this. Connect here. Now connector. Another side, I will connect with mobile. Already we connected with mobile type C. Now how to transfer file mobile to USB drive. Let's see. Now when you connect this type C code, here will be display here. You will see here is called round. You see here USB storage added. You click here, you open this C drive already open. You see empty your USB drive. One way you can open this. Second, you go on the folder and open file. If file open, you see here USB storage and you click here. You see same USB storage open here. Now how to transfer file? USB all file you take from SD card or you document, image, videos. Okay, I click here video. Just I like to bring one video from here. Example, this video I want to take. I select one video, I press down and select, and one more select, twice select, then click copy. Once this copy, I will back. Then I open USB storage one, and when come here, I just click copy here. This mobile video automatically copying on USB drive. You see now copying to files. I will need a little bit time, then we'll see how it will be open. Now 30% only. It's going on, continue. This file the length is little bit long. It's taking time little bit. Small file, not a bit long time. So 50% already. Now I have a few seconds. Now 60% come up. This now copying to file 66, 70 and coming. Now almost 80% will be finished because the length video little bit long. So it is coming up. Just a few seconds, it will be finished. Then you can check how this already come. You see now USB drive already two video file already in here. So this file already in, we have to check. We open the flash drive, I mean USB drive, then we put in PC computer, then we check this file how open. Okay, let's see now. Now see, when you remove your USB from your mobile, you should be safely. Otherwise, your phone need to restart. You come here, you shut down, you go to the USB, you click here, you see right side unmount. Click unmount, then it will be safely removed. Now it's safely removed. You see USD unmove it. Now same way image and other documents also you can transfer mobile to USB drive. Let's see how. Open here USB, open, click open, USB will be open. Then you back, you go file. Now you want to copy image from click image. Example, you click here this two image you want to copy and want to transfer USB drive. Now click copy. Already copy. Then you go back. You go back storage, USB storage, click USB storage, and downside right corner here click copy here, and it will be copy. You see now to photo already copying here. Same document, image, and other file you can very easily you can bring from mobile to USB drive. Now we open computer and see how to open this file USB drive save or not. We will be check in computer. Let's see. Thing again I saying when you remove use type C USB drive connector, you should go here, shut down, then you look USB, click right side here, unmount. When you unmount, it will be simply disconnect. Now this USB we connect with computer. We want to check this file USB save or not. Let's see. I connect with computer now. You see automatically already display here 4 file already saved USB. Let's see check the details. This automatically will come. Click on PC. Then this USB drive already I add now. Now I double click. You see here already 4 file only. Before because USB drive was fully empty, I transfer 4 2 image and 2 video. 4 I total I save in USB. Now already in save in USB.